Instagram tutorial video. I'll be showing you how to tag someone on your Instagram story. But before we get let's get started with the video. So first you open the Instagram app. So to create the Instagram story, you will just swipe left and you either upload a photo or take a photo. And then to tag someone, what you'll do is tap on this text button over here, the first option, and then you will type out @ and you can tag anyone on Instagram actually. So let's say I want to tag 𝐘𝐨𝐿. I'll just type out the username of the person. So you will type out the username of the person you want to tag, the Instagram username, and you can tag as many people as you want, and you can just change the font, and you can do apply all the text effects. And once you're done with that, you can also adjust this, and then you will click on add to story. So once the story has been uploaded, it will let you tag in the story. You'll get a notification that you've been tagged. So if you go to your DMs, you can see when your message is received a notification that you've tagged them in a story. So this is how you tag people on Instagram.